On Saturday, November 10th, we went to go check out the progress of the Raiders Stadium. As you can see, it's coming along really nicely. They're starting to have the real structure and shape of the stadium come together. You can see it's going to be a big oval, so now you can start to really see the shape. And this site is it's so meticulous and perfect. I mean, I've never seen a construction site so neat and tidy, and there's always people working. It's not like you would think where people are ever standing around. It's just a fantastic site. These guys work so hard. They even have a road now that they built going down into this area, as we'll show in a minute. That it's really cool because this is actually dug into the ground here, so it's almost like we're looking down into the stadium. You'll see the road. Now, this was on a Saturday, so Saturday is, see, here you go. Here's the road that now they drive down into where the stadium is on the inside. It's quite steep. Now, this site is, yeah, there we go. There's the men. This site is the coolest, construction site I've ever seen. I never really thought construction sites were so neat until I saw this Raiders Stadium. I mean, they have it so clean and tidy, and everyone is working so hard. Now, check out JediRich.com for updates. JediRich will be posting updates on this project as we go along. He should be posting some this week from these videos, and moving forward, he'll be posting photos up until the stadium is built. Yeah. So stay tuned. I really love all the equipment here at the stadium. They have the best cranes and tractors and things. It's just a really, really cool, I don't know if they call them tractors, but they have cranes. Really cool. If you love construction, this is the place to go. This is like construction porn for people. I mean, these guys really have this dialed in nicely. And it's set to be finished on, I think it's May, I can't remember the exact date, but the end of May in 2020, because set to open September 2020. So look at this, it's really just coming along nicely. I mean, every time we go out there, you can just see more and more of the foundation coming together and the structure. And I think they're up to like maybe 5 stories on some of the side posts here. It's always working hard. No one ever is standing around. So it's a fantastic site. Yeah, can't wait. September 2020, it'll be open with tons of people, so it's really exciting. Yeah, look at that. See, they're getting up to about 5 stories there. Looking good. Can't wait for the Raiders to come to Las Vegas.